Hi guys, welcome back to Shidara's Archives. In this video, I'll be sharing how to say big numbers from 100 all the way to 100 million. Then you're going to learn how to use these numbers in real-life conversations. I believe you have already watched my video about numbers 0 to 99. If not, I want you to watch that video first by clicking the link in the description because it will be so much easier to understand this lesson afterward. Big numbers are important and necessary to know because we use them in daily life, especially when buying things or dining at a restaurant. So let's dive into it. First of all, we are going to go over how to say 100 to 100,000. I will say each 3 times. Listen carefully and repeat after me. The year, the year, the year, the town, the town, the town, the town, the town, the town, the day, the day, the day. Now it's time for 100 to 999. You already know how to say 100, right? Yes? The year, the year. So how do we say 115? 115 is 100 plus 15, right? So 100 is the year and 15 is, yes, the set nga. The set nga. So altogether it becomes the ya, the set nga. The ya, the set nga. What about 999? You already know how to say 100 is ya, right? Ya. So 900 is go ya, go ya. And 99, go se, go, go se, go. Altogether it becomes go ya, go se, go. Go ya, go se, go. Let's go over some words together. Look at the first number, 308. 300 is 300, 300. And 8 is shit, shit. So we say 300 shit, 300 shit. I want you to notice the pronunciation change from ya to ya. So we don't say 300 shit. Okay? We don't say 300 shit. We say 300 shit. 300 shit. So whenever we say numbers ending in 0 and ending in 01 through 09, this pronunciation change happens. And do you still remember the pronunciation changes for 10 and 20? Yes, we don't say disse, nisse. We say desse, nasse. So the same rule applies to 100 and 200. We don't say tiya, niya. We say tiya, neya. Okay? This applies all the way up. Now look at the second number, 447. So how do you say this number? Let's break down the number. 400 plus 47. 400 is, yes, Leah. Leah. 47 is Lisa Con or Lisa Connet. Okay? Altogether, Leah, Lisa Con. Leah, Lisa Con. And the third number is 440. You already know how to say 400. Yes, it's Leah. Leah. And 40 is Lise. Lise. It becomes Leah Lise. Leah Lise. What about 662? 600 is Chao Ya. Chao Ya. And 62 is Chao Se Ne. Chao Se Ne. So, Chao Ya, Chao Se Ne. Chao Ya, Chao Se Ne. And moving on to the next one, we have got 909. 909. I want you to think. 900 is Goya. 9, go. So, Goya, go. Goya, go. And the last one, 990. 900 is 900. 90 is 90. Altogether, 990. 990. Let's move on to the next part. The first number is 1111. You already know how to say 1000. Yes, it's the town. The town. And 100 is the year. 11 is the city. Altogether, the town, the year, the city. The town, the year, the city. I want you to notice that pronunciation changes. We don't say the town, the year, the city. We say the town, the year, the city. Let's look at the second number. We have got 1011. 1000 is the town. 11 is the city. So, the town, city. The town, city. And what about the third number? 5000. 5 is nga, right? And 1000 is town. Nga town. Nga town. And the last one, we have got 6500. 6000 is, yes, Chow Town. Chow Town. And 500 is Ngaya. Ngaya. So we say Chow Town Ngaya. Chow Town Ngaya. I will repeat these numbers again. I want you to focus on my pronunciation changes. Okay? The town, the ya, the city. The town, the ya, the city. The town, city. The town, city. Nga Town. Nga Town. Chow Town Ngaya. Chow Town Ngaya. Now, let's move on to town and day. 10,000 is the town. The town. 100,000 is the day. The day. I hope you still remember that. So, look at the first number here. We have got 29,000. Okay? 29,000. So, 29,000 is 20,000 plus 9,000. So, for 20,000, we say, yes, not down, right? Not down. And 9,000 is go town. Go town. Altogether, not down, go town. Not down, go town. And the second number is 15,500. 15,000 is, yes, the town, Nga Town. The town, Nga Town. And 500 is Ngaya. Ngaya. So, the town, Nga Town, Ngaya. The town, Nga Town, Ngaya. And the third number, we have got 15,000. 15,000. You already know 15,000 is, yes, the town, Nga Town. The town, Nga Town. But in daily conversation, we tend to say like the town kwe. The town kwe. Okay? We don't use kwe with smaller numbers, for example, se and ya. But it commonly used with larger ones started from town. Okay? For example, the town kwe. Okay? And you can also use with other numbers such as 25,000. So we say na town kwe. Na town kwe. And 35,000, tong town kwe. Tong town kwe, and so on. But remember, we use kwe when we see 5 in the second place and there are no more number following after 5. Okay? So see the difference. I will say the second number again. 15,500. Okay? The tao, nga tao, nga ya. The tao, nga tao, nga ya. And the third number, the tao kwe. The tao kwe. I hope you see the difference. And let's move on to the last number. We have got 26,000. Okay? 26,000. So, in Burmese, 20 plus 6,000. So, 2,000 6,000 6,000 So let's move on to day. The first number we have got is 950,000. 950,000. So 900,000 is yes, golden. Golden. And 50,000 is yes, 50,000 is ngà đào. Ngà đào. Altogether, golden ngà đào. Golden ngà đào. Okay? So again, we see 5 in the second place and there are no more number following it. We see only 0 after 5, right? So we can use que here. So we say golden que. Golden que. Okay? And second number is 955,000. 955,000. So you already know, yes, 900,000 is golden. Golden. And 55,000 is, yes, ngà đào, ngà thảo. Ngà đào, ngà thảo. Altogether, golden ngà đào, ngà thảo. Golden ngà đào, ngà thảo. Let's move on to the third number. We have got 820,050. Okay, 820,050. So 800,000 is yes, 10, right? 10. And 20,000 is yes, 2,000. 2,000. And 50 is 50. 50. Altogether, 10, 2,000, 50. 10, 2,000, 50. And the last number we have got 160,000. 160,000. So 100,000 is yes, easy, right? 30. 30. And 60,000 is yes, 6,000. 6,000. Altogether, 30,000. 30,000. Well done, everyone. I know it's a bit hard and boring, but these numbers are very common. We Burmese use in daily life, so I think these are very important for you to know. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the next part. This is just for your knowledge. You don't need to do an exercise. But these numbers are used in real life when buying expensive items or assets such as phones, laptops, land, and houses. That is why these numbers are also very important. Okay? I'm gonna say each 3 times and I want you to listen carefully. Sete, 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 teintia, 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 teintata, teintata, teintata. Now we're gonna move on to the real life practice. If you don't know the name or something you want to buy, you can say da balap le. Da balap le. Da is this. Okay? So in English, how much is this? Da balap le. The reply is da and ba. Okay? Da and insert the price and ba. Okay. So now I will ask you the question and I want you to answer using the number here. Okay, are you ready? Yes. ဒါဘယ်လောက်လဲဒါ900ပါဒါ900ပါ Great job. Let's move on to the next one. We have got လက်ဖေးရည်တစ်ခွက်ဘယ်လောက်လဲလက်ဖေးရည်တစ်ခွက်ဘယ်လောက်လဲ So လက်ဖေးရည် means a cup of tea. Okay, လက်ဖေးရည်တစ်ခွက် means a cup of tea. So how much is a cup of tea? လက်ဖေးရည်တစ်ခွက်ဘယ်လောက်လဲလက်ဖေးရည်တစ်ခွက် and inside the price ပါလက်ဖက်ရည်တစ်ခွက်ပါ I will ask you the question and I want you to answer using the number here လက်ဖက်ရည်တစ်ခွက်ဘယ်လောက်လဲ Yes လက်ဖက်ရည်တစ်ခွက်1500ပါလက်ဖက်ရည်တစ်ခွက်1500ပါ and next one is ဒီအင်ကြီးဘယ်လောက်လဲဒီအင်ကြီးဘယ်လောက်လဲ okay so ဒီအင်ကြီးက and inside the price ပါဒီအင်ကြီးကပါ okay so I will ask the question and I want you to answer saying the number here ဒီအင်ကြီးဘယ်လောက်လဲ yes ဒီအင်ကြီးက9600ပါဒီအင်ကြီးက9600ပါ and moving on to the last one we have got ဒီဖုံးဘယ်လောက်လဲဒီဖုံးဘယ်လောက်လဲ it means how much is this phone so the answer is ဒီဖုံးက inside the price here ပါ okay ဒီဖုံးကပါ alright I will ask you the questions and I want you to answer ဒီဖုံးဘယ်လောက်လဲ yes ဒီဖုံးက330ပါဒီဖုံးက330ပါ Alright guys, this is the end of the lesson. I hope this video was helpful for you. Although I could just present all the numbers without asking you to think, I prefer for you to practice along with the video. What do you think of this teaching style? Please leave a comment so I can make more videos that fit your needs. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.